What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, back with another Q&A session here. So we got Gavin saying that, hey, Tony, I've done a 2K single stage 2-to-1 ratio 20% reducer paint job. So it's a single stage, okay, on an SUV, and have inquired paint runs from the second coat up to the third coat. I flat sanded it down from 1015 to 2000 wet and then buffed it out. Paint job came out fabulous. Just that I can still see the runs and not happy. So I'll be maybe collecting the video again in the end of September to wax it, but would like to know how to remove the visible runs. The deep runs are on the doors. Any technique would be appreciated. I've tried accessing VIP but don't have credit card. I can't complete the payment option. Kind regards, Gavin. So Gavin, and this is what I mention in a lot of other videos, and I show you this in VIP as well, is if you run, especially a metallic, I don't know if this is a metallic paint job, I'm thinking that it is, because if you ran a solid color and if you sanded it and buffed it, most times you're not going to really see the run. But if it's a metallic run on a single stage, and if you cut it, because the metallics also fall in that run line, just because you sand it flat doesn't mean you're going to take it away. Yes, you're going to take the ripple away, you're going to take the run mark away, but you're not going to take that paint. So the only thing to really how to fix that is to repaint that panel. And because it's a packaged color, like a base. It's not a custom color is what I'm saying. Don't worry, guys, I just woke up not long ago. My mind's still foggy. But it's not a custom color, so it's going to be easy matching to your adjacent panels. You're not going to have to do any blending or anything like that. I would just repaint the door or whatever panel that you have that run on. That's the only way to really get rid of it. Because, unfortunately, if you can't get rid of it and you have that run mark, even if you cut it and buffed it, then that's, you can't, unless you're going to hide it with a molding or pinstripe. I don't know where the run is. But sometimes you could kind of hide it with a molding or a pinstripe, right? So hopefully this video helps. Here is some of the images of the truck I guess you sent in. Very, very nice little truck. What is this thing? What kind of SUV is this? I don't even know what this is. It looks cool. That's all I know. What is that? Right-hand drive. It's a beautiful color, by the way. I really like this color. It's like a cobalt blue. Really beautiful color. Nice paint job, by the way. It's very glossy. And it looks like a solid color, so I'm not sure. I don't know. It looks solid from here. It might be a little metallic or pearlish in the sun there. I don't know. But the proper way to do it is just to redo that panel. All right, good luck. Thank you for sending me these pictures. If you guys are on YouTube, please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about this color. I love this color. It's amazing. If you want to get a free 85-page auto body manual, just click the little booklet on the top, not the booklet, but the little button here on the top right if you're on YouTube. If you're on mobile, click that. A drop down will appear. You'll be able to click and go to a page like this where you can download a 85-page auto body and paint manual, plus get 7 days of my popular auto body boot camp training, video lessons and all. So I think you're really going to love it. We've been helping people since 2010 learn auto body from the comfort of their own homes, banging out amazing paint jobs. If you check out VIP, you can see some of the VIP projects that our customers have done. Not our customers, more like our students have completed, and check out some of the testimonials on what people are saying about VIP. We have so many written testimonials, hundreds literally documented on social media and through our platforms here. So anyway, it's Tony. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next auto body Q&A as well as other videos. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.